The Fife Energy Park, about an hour outside of Edinburgh, is a snapshot of Scotland's economic history. 100 years ago, this was the site of a coal mine. The buildings where the miners showered after a long day of digging coal from underneath the seabed still stands. In the 80s, a number of companies became multi-million-dollar operations by building oil platforms and equipment for North Sea oil drillers. Now, those same people say they can get rich from wind, wave, and hydrogen power. Building a wind turbine isn't all that different from building an oil derrick, they say.
This park at the moment is 133 acres. We want this to be the Aberdeen of the renewables or energy sector down here.
This is the transition pieces. That is the bit where the tower and the nacelle meets the jacket. And then this is how tall she is. And then you have legs that come off the side of this structure and then straight on through the jacket.
So this is the piece that sticks out of the water when you're looking
at it? This sticks out of the water, yeah. That thing there is 5 metres in diameter, and once it's complete it'll be about 7 metres tall.
We have a big open quay down there which takes you directly out to the sea. We have 2 quays 180 metres long each quay. So that was for loading big structures out, but you have a port there with lock gates that you can bring smaller boats in. You could get a lot of deliveries by water into the port, bring them here, build the big structure and then ship it out. So again, it was like a circle, and we need to try and resurrect something like that again for the area.
Like every other nation in the world, Scotland wants to be a green tech powerhouse. It's got a few things in its favor. For one thing, the weather. Scotland lays claim to 25% of Europe's offshore wind resources and 10% of its tidal resources. The government recently rejected the idea of building more nuclear power plants so the renewable industry could actually thrive. It's going to take a few years, but this is a story that's well worth following. Scotland, Ireland, and Denmark are poised to become powers in renewable energy in Europe. I'm Michael Kanellos for Greentech Media.